Hey YouTube, welcome back to the episode of Is in Worth It. So today's episode we got this cool mid right here, and basically what this is the air fry oven. If you can see it from this brand right here in the middle. So if you can see the package right here is pretty big. So let's put this down on the ground and open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so once you guys open the part right here, this is basically actually looks like inside. If you can see it's all well protected and everything, but let's take everything out first. Alright. So once we take out the air fryer right here, there's definitely a lot of stuff inside. You can see inside right here, they provide guys all the different accessories on here. So you definitely get like the air fryer basket, you guys get the grilling option, and you definitely get like the tray option on here as well. So I'm going to take everything out and open up to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you can see there's definitely a lot of stuff that's provided for you guys right here. So they do provide this accessory right here, and basically what this is for is so that way you guys can actually take out the tray really easily, and that way you guys don't have to worry about burning your hand. And I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. Inside they also provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product. And right here you can see they provide you guys a tray that's in use. So this one is probably like a baking tray or oven tray or whatever. Right here they provide you guys a crumb tray or drip tray or whatever. So definitely put this onto the bottom part, so that way if you guys drop any like crumbs or liquid, it would definitely fall on right here. Next up right here, they provide you guys an air fryer basket. So definitely use that for air frying stuff. And then this one right here, you can definitely use it as grilling option or toasting option on here. And then right here, if you can see, we do have the actual air fryer oven. If you can see, it definitely looks really, really cool. And definitely when you guys feel the texture or the material on here, it feels really, really smooth. But definitely if you can see the way how they design the product, it definitely looks really cool. So you definitely have the option right here to control the air frying temperature. Right here, we have the timer option. And then right here we do have a bunch of symbols for you guys to adjust it. And right here we do have the temperature control for the oven as well. But when you guys look at it from this angle right here, the product definitely looks really cool, especially with the color design. And also the way how they design this handle part right here, it definitely looks and feels like a high quality material. But let's take off all the tapes on here first and then open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so I just removed the tape. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once we open up the inside, this actually looks like inside. So it definitely has a very clean design on here. I believe the material that used inside is stainless steel. So you see inside right there, there is definitely like the air frying option, the oven option, toasting option, and etc. And there's also a light bulb inside as well. So I'm assuming when you guys turn on the product, the light will turn on. But see the way how they designed this part right here, there's definitely 3 different sections on here. So definitely put one tray here, and one tray right here. And bottom part right here, you can definitely slide in the drip tray. So I'm going to put everything in to show you guys what it actually looks like. So there is the first one. Here is a drip tray. So just slide it in just like that. And then right here we have this tray. So once you guys slide those in, that's what it looks right here. And then if you guys want to use the air fryer basket, you can definitely put it on here as well. So just like that. And it's all set. And then basically if you guys want to use this set right here, this is how you guys use it. So once you guys take it out, you can definitely put it back inside as well. You can see how easy it is to actually use it. I believe you guys can also use it for the bottom part as well. So just like that. So that way you guys don't have to worry about burning your hand when you guys actually use it, which is definitely pretty awesome. So once you guys put everything in here, that is basically what the product looks right here. Let me just turn around the product 360 to give you guys a 360 point of view of the product. Alright, so this is what it looks like on this side right here. So definitely see that they do have like the air ventilation on the side, so that way the product doesn't overheat. Right here is basically what the back part looks right here. So you definitely see throughout the part right here, they do have like the air vent as well. And also when you see the way how they designed this part right here, it definitely has like the ventilation right here to let the air come out upwards and not towards the wall. And then right here we do have the cable that you're going to plug in to actually activate the product. And then right here is basically what the other side looks like. And obviously right here on the top part, this is what it looks like on top. So once you flip it on the bottom part, this is basically what it looks like on the bottom part right here. So it definitely do have like the non-stick material on the bottom. So that way it prevents the product from like moving around when you guys actually use it. And definitely give you guys a pretty good grip. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me just go set this up and show you guys how to use it first. And we'll also test it out to see when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So usually when I use the air frying option or any of the baskets or oven tray, I usually want to put some foil or some parchment paper on top. So that's why I did it right here. So what I'm gonna do is make some cheese balls inside and show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so we got the cheese ball in. Let me just close it back up. So you basically want to select the function I want to use on here. So I want to use the air frying option. So if you guys ever forget which is which, you can definitely refer to the instruction manual right here. So basically the air frying option is this one right here, which is this one right here. So I'm going to turn it this way. Alright. So once you guys turn it that way, you basically want to adjust the setting on here in terms of temperature. So I want to do around like 330 degrees. And then once you guys turn both these on, you can definitely set the timer on here. You can see how the product turns on immediately inside. And see inside there is a light as well. So when you guys open up, that's what it actually looks like inside. So basically the light stays on until the product turns off. So I'm gonna let this finish first and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can see the product definitely does work. And the light turns off automatically eventually on here. But when you guys open up, this is basically actually looks like inside. So there is one technique for you guys to turn on the light here. And basically how you guys do that is by turning the switch right here. So that is another way for you guys to turn on the light. So I'm gonna take it out like that. You can definitely do that on here. And that way you guys don't have to worry about burning your hand on here. But that is basically how you guys use the product on here. Eventually it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test upon definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. If you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys finish washing all the different parts inside the actual product, you can definitely start using it. So you see when you actually use the product, it's actually very simple and very easy to actually use it. Only thing that I actually had trouble with or had an issue with is probably looking at the symbol for the function option. It might take some time for me to remember each different symbol on here in terms of what it means. But if you guys ever forget, you can definitely refer to the instruction manual right here. They definitely explain what each one is for right here. So definitely have like the toast and bake option, a convection broil option, a broil option, a convection option, a air fry option, a grill option, and defrost option on here. And also I wish that the product has some way for you guys to manually turn on the light instead of it doing automatically. That would have been really helpful. But basically for the product here, it's actually very big if you can see the inside. So if you guys want to put like a 12-inch pizza or like a 6-pound chicken, you can definitely fit that inside right here. And I definitely love how it has different layers on here, different sections. So that way if you guys want to cook multiple things at the same time, you can definitely do that on here. And definitely the way how to design the product, it definitely gives you guys a really good circulation on here. And it also evenly cooks everything because of the way how to design the product on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys don't mind some of the issues I mentioned earlier in terms of the symbol option. And also the fact of how you guys cannot turn on the light manually. If you guys don't mind that issue, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.